Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna, if you didn't know, and welcome to my channel, like I said. Anyways guys, today you can see again I'm looking a little weird. No eye makeup per usual, but you know what this means. We are trying out, when I'm saying we, I'm talking about you and me. We're gonna try out a new makeup brand that was sent to me by EC. That's what it says, EC. But this is a new makeup brand. So remember last week I've tried out Layton's makeup brand. I believe this is like also sort of like them. They're like the niche brands, not niche, what's the word? Or like their partnership or something like that. I don't know, something. I've never heard of them before, but this is the palette. It's called like more like quad. So this is the quad. So this is called Cara. So Cara right here. And yeah, this is the Cara. I'm gonna leave all of their description down below for you guys. They have an Instagram. That's how I found them, and they kindly reached out to me and asked if I could try out for them, and I'm very excited. So yeah, my love, they have two type of quad. I am going to put a link or put a little video right now and show you guys. So this is their Instagram channel. This is their Instagram account. If you type in Cara, it's health and beauty, as you can tell, and you scroll all the way bottom, you will see the two types of different quad. I've got the one with the nice bright brown in them, and they also have one with the dark grays and stuff, so I got the much more colorful kind. Anywho, enough of me rambling. If you want to see how this quad turns out, then please keep on watching. All right. Okay guys, I am testing out a new mic, which I have right up here, and I'm so excited. We're not gonna have any more noise in the background, which I'm so stoked. Now, that's enough of me and my tech talk. I get so excited with like new mics and stuff, and yeah. And also, you must be wondering what's going on with the background. I am sticking with my Christmas theme. I just thought I'll put a little cheer in here. I've also added little lights in my background, as you can see. That is gonna be there permanently, because when I come home, what about you guys, I like to have fairy lights all over. And then guys, I'm so sorry if I'm looking this way. Like I always say every video, I'm actually looking at my little viewfinder to make sure I am in focus. Anywho, let's go on with this little quad. I don't know if this quad has a name. So this quad is called Cara de Novo Palette. That's right. And at the back it has little description. At the back here it has a little description of the product, and it also has all the names of the quad. Nothing more about this, guys. If you want to go onto the little if you go onto their Instagram, they will tell you more about the product, and it will also obviously give you a link to their website where you can go and shop. Now we open it up. Very smooth, very smooth. What? Ah, it's like magnetic. Is this magnetic? I believe they go like, look, it's just when you shut it, it just goes automatically down, like not automatically, like speedy down, as in like it's magnetic. And it's, oh yes, it is. I can see the magnets. I don't know if you can. No, I don't think you can. In between here, there's little magnets. Obviously, no mirror, nice and clear, nice and white packaging. So far, I really like the packaging. It's plastic. I know not everyone is for plastic nowadays, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do to make your own brand, right? And this is the quad right here. So they've got the brown, which is like the reddish brown, and I believe it's called Adorn. And then this little number champagne color here is called Bill. I'm so sorry, it's just very faint at the back. And this little gold here is called Diligence. And then this black one is called Tart. Okay, let's swatch this. Ooh, it is smooth. I do like that. I do like the fact that it's smooth. It's pigmented, nice and brown. Oh. Hello, quad. The matte is very pigmented. No. Ooh. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. This champagne color. Oh my god. Right. It's making me excited, so I'm excited now. I'm excited about to try this. Oh, I just burped. Oh, look at that! Look at this. Oh my god, it's so buttery. It's like very, very buttery. I'm trying the black. Oh my god. This is like dark as night. So this is tart right here. Oh my lord. Look at that. Okay, maybe I didn't swatch it that hard because I didn't put a lot of black. I'm always skeptic about blacks because the color payoff. Oh, yep, it's just pigmented. With blacks, you see, like it's always there for such a long time. So those are the swatches. So those are the swatches. Let's start putting them on my lids. I'm so excited. After that nose swatch, that got me, you know. They don't have any lighter transition color here, so I'm gonna use this brown instead. Where is my mirror? I'm gonna take my unicorn fluffy brush right here. Oh my god. Does anyone get that after you cleaned your white brushes and stuff, at the moment you I can't speak today. The moment you put anything on it, you're like, oh, I have to clean again. Does anyone get that? Because I always do that. Okay, let's tap off the axis. Oh my god, you can see it's already pigmented. Okay, I went in the light because as we saw, the pigment was very, very, very strong. I didn't want to overload when I just started doing my transition. Okay, it looks a little patchy. That's just me, I think. Shall I make you guys come closer? I'm just gonna build it over here. She's very pigmented. Oh, okay. It's looking good. I'm gonna try buffering it all the way out. Alright, so this is what I really like the way it is. I just buffed it out a little bit. It didn't even have that much of a fallout, so I just dipped in once, and that is pretty much saying a lot about this little shadow right here. I'm gonna go in with my little Primark brush right here, and I'm gonna go for the black now. I'm gonna put it in my crease right here. I'm gonna go ever so lightly with this shadow because the black, I don't want to get messy because it can get really messy or it can get really good. Depends how it is. Okay, one tap. Just pigment already. That was just one tap, guys. Do you see that? That was literally one tap. Okay, just gently. One tap, and this is what happened. Damn. I'm already pretty shook about this. I'm just gonna work it on my crease over here. Okay. I'm gonna switch it up a bit. I'm gonna take my Amazon buffer brush right here and start buffing this. This is like, not really a buffer, it's more like a tapered brush. So again, if you're interested with the Amazon one, I will leave all the links down below for you. These brushes are really good. So far I've only purchased 2 types of brushes in Amazon and they are like amazing. So I'm just gonna buff in circular motion. I am just still pretty shocked. I just used 1 tap and this is the outcome of that 1 tap. Very shocked. I'm just gonna put it in my crease. I'm gonna go smoky, guys. Okay, so far, not even a fallout. Pretty decent. Okay, so this is what I got so far. I really like it because I'm looking at it. My feedback from it is that it's very smooth. Oh, crap. Powder all over my mirror. Blending wise, it's very smooth. It moves nicely, it glides, it works. I like it. It's for a good night out look, guys. If you are going for a party and stuff, this is definitely a nice night out look. Not for an everyday wear, because unless you just want to go to brown and a shimmer, then that's absolutely fine. Other than that, this is date night look. I'm gonna go with Diligence, which is this one. Don't focus on my ring. Which is this one right here. I'm gonna take my little flat brush right here. I'm gonna tap it. I want to make a nice night look. Okay, pigment. I love metallic shades. They're so up my street. Oh my god. Look. I love this. This is literally 1 swipe, guys. The one thing I really like about this nail quad is 1 swipe and you're done. So Cara, good job to you guys. I really like this quad. If there's any more quads coming out, girl, you got my address, you got my email. Come my way, because I will so gladly take them with open arms. But this is so good. This is so perfect for Christmas party, New Year's Eve. And by the way, guys, Christmas is coming up. Everyone got their shoppings ready? Because actually I did not. I am like one of those people who always shops really late and never find anything in the end. So Amazon's your friend. Like, I literally live for Amazon and they literally have everything I need. As do for everyone, right? Oh my god. I'm so sorry if you can hear background noises, guys. My street is so noisy today. I don't know why. It's only a Wednesday? Yeah, it's only a Wednesday. And they're noisy. Ooh, wait, look at that. Look at that pigment. Yes. I want to add the little champagne color in my corner of my eye. So I'm going to use Bill. It's called Bill. I'm going to take Bill on the other side of the brush, a flat one. Tap, tap. Only little. Ooh, nice. Okay guys, I'll take care of the rest of my face and I'll be right back to let you know what are my thoughts. Hi guys, I am back and I am feeling very festive. What do you guys think? I am literally feeling this look. I'm feeling the fact that red lips and smoky eyes. So dang good. Anyways, let's go to the point. Now this, my friend, is the finishing look for you guys. I cannot say how much I am in love with this look. No joke, no shade right here. I thought I was gonna come out and saying like, I didn't really like this look. This is all, you know, chalky and stuff like that. But no, I am so impressed. This little quad Cara. Seriously? I'm in love. I am using this for my photo shoot next. This is my tomorrow's photo shoot, guys. This is the perfect gift if you guys want to go out there and gift a little stocking filler, or give, you know, loved ones if they love makeup, or those who are new who wants to play with makeup. This, my friend, is literally the bomb. I love the fact that it's so pigmented. The only thing that I wish it had, if it was in the middle, I know there's no space for it or whatsoever, but in the future, guys, if they are, or Carla, if you are watching this in the future, if you are gonna end up bringing more of these out, maybe a nice transition color to complement this brown. But so far with this brown, I just literally worked my magic by blending just to infuse. I'm gonna let you guys come closer to have a look. I literally blend to infuse this to come out a little lighter, and then put the black on. So that's all I'm saying. That's my only feedback, that I wish they had a transition color. Other than that, you are diamond. You are literally diamond. So guys, if you do want to like check them out, I will leave all the links down below for you guys. Do leave a comment. I'm sure they're reading it, and I'm sure they'll love to know their personal feedback. And for those who actually does have this beautiful quad, maybe in a different shade, do let me know. Why can I not talk now? Do let me know down in the comments below, because I want to know what your thoughts are. I want to try the gray one now, or the other new product they're gonna come out, because literally, guys, I am stoked. I am hooked. I am literally going to be wearing this on my Christmas look. I'm going to be wearing this on my, you know, photo shoot looks. And if you guys are not following my Instagram is more with fashion and street fashion and whatnot. I will leave all my description down below for you guys to check them out. I'll also leave Cara description down below, so do give them a like, do follow them, because their products are good. If I like them, you're gonna like them. Well, I hope so. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. For those who do like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I love to see more of you. And if you do want to see more of moi, then please go down below, click the red button that says subscribe. And for my OGs out there who've been here from the beginning of time, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for sticking around and supporting me on this. This really means a lot. Christmas coming up. I want to know what your plans are. Do leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye.